Most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? Like me today, many of my friend asking me please making video about space debris about making video. So guys, I will be making video about this game and I will be helping to you how to complete to be this game meter. So guys, listen me. You are watching completely this video, then you will be easily understand now because many of people sometime not to be much video watching no and they skip no, so then he never understand anything about this game how to complete to be this game meters. Okay guys, so like be 5000 reach now, so how to complete to be like be 5000 meters. So I will be give you best and nice advice how to complete to be this game. So I hope you will be enjoy this video and please request to you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be helping to you. I hope you will be completely watching my video and before like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, I'm be already download this game and I will be completely guide to you how to complete to be this game measure that all about this is the easily and not to be have any problems, and I will be request you be end of watching this video and I will be completely helping to you. Guys, here we everything so much easily now because many of people sometimes not to be understand how to complete to be this game measure that. So guys, this is the more important options because card space, if you have more card space then you will be easily to complete to be these games, because if you have like the 50 to 60 this like we have card space, so then you will be easily complete to be this game. And many of people asking me how, so this is the real and originally method, and because people sometimes not to be understand, but I will be explain you all about this game how to complete to be these games. So everything so much easily now, just only last option I will be teach you. Okay guys, here we also to be one of the options available now. Many of people sometimes not to be telling to you this is the options available now. X3 add the watch the video, because many of people sometimes not to be know these options about X3 ads watching video, because if you watching one of the ads video, so then you will be earn more than coins just only watching one of the ads and more earns coins. And sometime he will be show you ads, sometime not to be, so depend on your luck how to complete to be this game meters. So guys, then because cards, if you have card space more, so then you will be earn more coins and you will be easily to complete to be this game. All about this is the everything easily now, because sometimes people request to me, guys, Saddam brother listen me, teach me how to complete to be this meter. So if you watching completely my video, then you will be easily understand now. And before you will be easily purchasing more card space 36, and just to be try to be 50 above you will be card space purchasing now. Then you will be easily complete to be your task, because I will be more helping to you. And before listen me, please never to be skipping x3 ads you are the video, because this is the more important for you. So thank you so much for you watching my video.